Okay, what's up, YouTube? It is Pacey AI one more time. About to do another video. Remember to leave a like, share, and subscribe. This one is interesting, and I wanted to kind of touch on this video real quick for you guys so you guys can see this. So remember to leave a like, share, subscribe, guys, turn on notifications. So I want to talk about Diagram GPT. Now, if you go to eraser.io, I'm going to leave a link to this in the description. But if you go to eraser.io/diagram GPT, you will be directed to this website, right? And this is really cool. Now you can actually create a diagram. Now I just put in a diagram for an ERD for YouTube analysts dashboard where the user can log in with their YouTube account and view their YouTube analytics data. And as you can see, it generated this diagram for me. So you can do this with anything, right? You just put a prompt up here and then it generates a diagram. So if I could say an ERD for let me just change this up a little bit. So I could say ERD for an e-commerce website where user can log in to buy products, or they can do guest checkout. And you're the for an e-commerce website where a user can log in to buy products, or they can do guest checkout. Users can search products from different categories, add them to a cart, then check out with their credit card or PayPal payment information, right? Credit card, and obviously check out. Okay, credit card. There we go. Let's see what this generates. So this is the entity relationship diagram that's generating right now. So as you guys can see, I gotta zoom up a little bit. Seems like it's not allowing me to zoom this. So you can save it. You can save this diagram, or you can go in and edit it. So if you click this, right, save and edit your entity relationship diagram. So now you can go here and you can actually zoom and fix it up however you want, right? So it's pretty cool. It has it on this little canvas right here. And so you generate it right here, and then you can edit it right here. And this is great. Obviously, developers know about ERDs. This is crucial. This is crucial for developing a website. You need to have something like this for your website as the basis before you can even start development. You need to have a structure on how you're gonna align and organize your data, the different information for each particular entity within the application. Obviously, you have users, you have orders, you have payments. Payments have to have an ID. You have carts, you have cart items, products, and this is how you create your database. Essentially, all these would be different tables within your database. Every single one of these, you have a different table, and then you have the information. Then obviously what would happen is that you would link each attribute to a different attribute within each table, so that you can essentially get information about the other entity, essentially. So that's the whole point of it, is to have everything structured and organized in a way where you can share data between each entity within the application. So that is really cool. And as you guys can see, this is what we have here: e-commerce website ERD. This is pretty amazing. This is pretty amazing, and you guys could go ahead and check this out. So if you're a developer, I mean, this is a great tool. You know, ERD, you can put in anything you want right here, and it generates right here. Then you can go in and edit it. Let's see if we could do another ERD. So let's say ERD for let's try this. ERD for video sharing website similar to YouTube, where users can log in, watch videos, like, share, and comment on videos. Videos are organized into different categories based on video content. Users can search videos to watch, as well as upload their own videos to the website for others to watch, right? There's something real quick. This is not typed out properly. Let me see if I can fix some of the typos, some of the spelling errors. Let me see. Fix some of the spelling errors right here. All right, so let's go generate diagram. And there we go. Now if we go to save and edit, this is it right here. So this is our entity relationship diagram right here for the YouTube video sharing website. So as you guys can see, we have different entities. We have the users, we have the categories, we have shares, videos, likes, comments. So these are the different entities within the website, and these different entities share data between each other, right? So they're able to pass data around, and this is pretty cool. So as you guys can see, this is what we got right here, right? We got a video sharing website, and we got the comments, we got the likes, we got the videos, we got all that. So this is really cool. This is really cool. This is the basis for going ahead and building a website. So yeah, that's pretty much that. Let me know what you guys think. Have a great day. Pacey AI signing out. Peace.